Welcome to the pVACview demonstration. In this video, we'll walk through launching pVACview through the terminal or Rstudio. In the terminal, we can first check the necessary inputs to the pVACview command. As you can see, in order to run pVACview, you simply need to supply your pVACseq results directory. You can also start pVACview directly with R. This is convenient in cases where you have multiple versions of R installed. Now let's launch the app using the pVACview run command and supplying the location of our demo dataset as input. It might take a couple of seconds to launch, and once successfully launched, your R console will output a host address that the application is listening on. Simply copy and paste that into the browser of your choice. Here I'm using Google Chrome, and hit enter. This will take you to the upload page of pVACview. Next, let's try launching the app through Rstudio. First, navigate and set your working directory to where your pVACview R files are located. Open either the app.r file, or the server.r file, or the ui.r file. All three, once opened in Rstudio, will have a Run App button appear in the top right corner. Simply hit the button and this will launch the app in the Rstudio browser. However, we strongly recommend to copy the host address located at the top left of the browser window and launching that in an external browser, such as Google Chrome, for its full functionality. That wraps up the tutorial on launching pVACview. For a summary of this information, please see the Tutorials tab. For further documentation, please refer to the pVAC Tools GitHub page and the Read the Docs website.